Hi guys, just want to record a really quick video for you, and just when you're building your marketing agency and it comes to sales, you have to remember that at the end of anything you do is a person. So people buy from people. You may be doing an email or a Facebook ad or any other type of communication, but ultimately it's going to be a human that is receiving that message and is needing to respond to that. So in that, I want you to think about this saying, and this is something that I have taken from Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone has taken from someone else. He references in his book, If You're Not First, You're Last, and I can't remember his name, so I do apologise. But ultimately, the only difference between a contact and a contract is the R. And the R stands for relationship. So when you are doing sales to build retainers for your marketing agency, ultimately your objective is to build relationships. Now that can be done face to face, it can be done on the phone, it can be done via social media, but ultimately you need to connect with your customer. Now your customer is likely a business owner, so understand where they hang out. Try to put yourself in the same place as they will be. These can be networking events, and networking events can be many shapes and sizes. There are paid memberships that you can attend, but there are also a lot of free meetups of just in local areas of business owners that you can go along to and just start building relationships, just start meeting people. So just a couple of little things you think about there. People buy from people. At the end of any communication, there is always a human, and the only difference, I should say, between a contact and a contract is the R, and the R is relationship. So it's really, really important in everything that you do to bear that in mind and just continually build this relationship with all of your contacts, and then one day they may become contracts. See you later, guys.